Which brings us to the topic. How many of you invest in equities? Okay, so this is the part that everybody waits for in the workshop. Equity में पैसा कैसे बनाए? Right? So anybody knows a guaranteed way of making money in the equities market? Okay. What is your definition of long term?
Suppose you go to take one example only. Suppose I am investing in SBI, 9% return giving me. Then it depends upon the market scenario. Suppose now I think
today's market scenario, what is long term?
Maybe 3 years.
3 years, not beyond. Give me a minimum.
As per one.
Minimum 3 years. Minimum 3.
5 to 7 years. We keep it for more than 1 year income.
I want to make money on equities. You are saying the way to make money on guaranteed way to make money on equities is keeping it invested for the long term. I am trying to arrive at a definition. He is saying minimum 3 years. He is saying minimum 3 years. You are saying 1 year. He is saying 1, 3,
5 to 7 years.
7, 5 or 7? 5 years. 5 years.
7 years plus.
7, no plus. 7 years. You would have invested money any day. Pick a day. And if you held it exactly for a year, okay, the worst return you would have got was minus 56%. And the best return, this is for Nifty. Assuming you invested in the Nifty started in 1992. We have taken data from 95 onwards. Okay, 95 onwards, demat trading became compulsory. And we had data only from 95. That was the reason we took it from 95. Okay, the minimum return, the worst return you would have got is you would have lost 56% of your money if you kept it exactly for a year. Okay, and you can pick a date and we will prove to you, okay, that it can't be worse than 56, it can't be better than 105% if you kept it for 1 year. If you did it for 2, the worst performance was minus 22, the best performance was plus 62. If you kept it for 3, 1 was this. So, if this is the Nifty, we can run similar numbers for SBI, for example. Okay, this
specific 1 year. You are telling of specific 1 year.
Any 1 year. You could have. Give me a date.
2007,
Give me a date. Give me one specific date. 21st
January 2008.
So, okay, so 21st January 2008, if I had invested in the Nifty, check it out as we are going ahead. This is based on data. It would fall between these two extremes. I have no idea where.
That was extreme.
Okay. So wherever it was, okay, right? Second year is this, third year is this, fourth year is this. You can see this minimum return.
Yeah.
As you stay longer in the market, your minimum return keeps going up. And at the end of 10 years, at the very minimum, you would have made 6% per annum. You could have, this is Nifty. Huh? If you had so Nifty is a fairly broad market, right? 6% is the minimum that you would have made. Doesn't matter when you invested. Okay? If you invested on 1st January 2004 and you got out on 1st, you could have made was 21%. These are all compounded. And you look at the average doesn't change at all. It's varying it's slowly converging towards the average. You pick this for any good share, it will mimic it. We haven't done it. We have done it for 1 or 2. It mimics it. Long term is not 3 years, long term is not 5 years, long term is not 7 years. You want to make money, in equity, you're talking 10 years. Okay, that is long term. Because in all these TV programs, say I'm a long term investor, I'm going to hold it for 12 months. That's long term in share market scenario. Okay, any client who comes to us, fund. Okay, we will not recommend to him equity at all. Is there an even better way even safer way than this? This is invest and disinvest at the end of 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. And we've said that 10 years looks good. Is there an even safer way that I can make it the returns even better? Somebody had mentioned that. So again here it is 10 years. But the minimum instead of being 6 is minimum is 8%. Maximum instead of whatever that figure was, I think it's 27, there also it was 27. There the average was 13 or 14, here it is 17. Right? This is a far, far superior way of investing. But one of the big issues, well, for 10 years you made money, okay, but you will notice that if I kept it for 9, okay, or 8, there will be some series that has given me -1%. If I kept it, and what do we do when we invest in equity? I mean, this is what I heard every time. Oh, I've done quite well. What has happened? Return has given me 20%. Over what period? 2 years. Okay. You know what we do? We planted a tree. We know this is going to give fruit after 10 years. वो tree पनप नहीं सकता. जो चीज आपने 10 साल के लिए की है, उसको पहले चेक करेंगे. There is not a single series, for example, in this 10-year SIP, there is not even one SIP that has not been negative in between. Not even one. In fact, there are series that are negative, capital negative. तो लोग करते क्या? उसी समय बंद करते हैं, रिटर्न ही नहीं देते हैं. तो हर्षुंटा आगे कुछ भी वर्कशॉप में बोलता है, वो एक्सपर्ट्स लोग आके कुछ भी बोलते हैं, सिप से पैसा बनता, मेरा तो बना नहीं, ये देख लो. And the flip side to that is today, like all our clients, when their SIP statements go, okay, they are delirious with joy, 50%, 60%, okay, सबके returns ऐसे आ रहे हैं. Nothing to do with me, sir. Please don't be happy. They're going to go down. Only way you can make money in equities. And the direct equity. I mean, I see. So this direct equity. Okay, I'm going to quickly give you an example first before we move to direct equity. The average was about 17 and the max was 27. If you look at well performing large cap funds, and I have picked up just 3 at random. ICICI, who obviously is the sponsor, HDFC top 200, frankly in India blue chip, in fact they have all done quite well. You will see that they have invariably, minimum has been double digit. Okay, the average has been far higher, it's been in the 20s and the maximum has been in the 30s. Okay, all that it is telling you is that actively managed funds, okay, have